Hey there, welcome to the Craftily or Crafting Unedited YouTube channel. My name is Sierra and I am the creator of all things Craftily. Don't mind me, I am trying to clean up my workstation. I should have done that before I got on here, but oh well. I just wanted to hop on really quick and kind of give you guys a quick insight as to how I make some of my jewelry. Today I wanted to make another pair of my little candy corn earrings. Can you see those? Sorry. I'm still new to this whole thing, excuse me. Alright, so these little guys are gonna go on some of these little wire hook things, and no, I don't know the terminology, I should, and some fish hook backs. So this is what you need. Fish hook backs, and show you a little better. Some little wire cording, if I could figure out where my camera on my phone is. It's just a little metal stainless steel thing with a loop at the end and a bead. All right. So, and you need some of these little wiry things here. I like to use these two. Okay. So basically what I do is I put this is really awful, I'm sorry. I was trying to be nice and show you guys how I do this. So just take the little bead and you put it through there's a little hole in it. You put it through, and depending on how I feel, I just kind of bend the wiring at the end. See how it's like that? To however I feel. Today I'm feeling loopy. So we're gonna go with some loops here. Might help if I got a little closer. So you just kind of bend it to one way. Then we wrap it around. This is where it gets a little tricky. And you just keep twisting it until it gets to the other side, kind of like that. See? I don't know if you can see that. It's a little blurry, sorry. All right. And then you just wrap it around the other side the same way. I like to take it and flip my pliers around that way. And then loop it around the other side too. I'll show you when I'm done. So for the way that I want to do it, I want to kind of make it like a little bow tie. So I line up my pliers. I don't know why it's so blurry. With the top of, or the bottom of the candy corn. And then I take the side that's sticking out and I loop it around. And it typically comes out lopsided. And you wiggle it so that it comes off of the wiring. And then to get it to loop around, you have to pull it all the way off and get it to one side instead of having it pull through both of the loops. This is where it gets tricky. I'm not very good at explaining this stuff, as you guys will learn. I'm more into like, I need to show you before I can explain it. So, there we go. See what I did there? I kind of took it out of one loop and wrapped it around the other side. And to make it a little easier and less prickly on my fingers, I use the other pliers to pull. So I pull, trying to get it the same size, wrap it around again. And then we have a bow, kind of. I don't know why, it just kind of reminds me of a little candy corn loops, bowls, you know. So what I like to do is I typically just cut off the extra piece right here using these guys. Looks like a little shark. All right, sorry, I am on day 3 of a super migraine, so pardon me. So you see now we have this little extra piece at the bottom. I don't know There we go. A little pokey piece back there. So I take these thicker pliers and I just squish it down. And once it's squished, I just kind of feel around, make sure it's not going to grab on my client's hair or their ear or their neck, because that wouldn't be very fun, now would it? And then I take these little rounded ones, the ones that I was using before, and I like to get that in there and make it even with the other side, or at least attempt to. Because if I can do that, if I can do it right, then it'll just slide into the candy corn, the little hole that's in the middle of the candy corn. Then I won't have any worries. It'll be beautiful. All right, so it's not cooperating with me. And that's totally fine. I'll just take these little guys and flatten it back out. And there we have candy corn. Kind of looks like a little person, doesn't it? A little candy corn person. Kind of twisted the top a little when I was fixing the bottom. So in order to fix my mess up, because I don't edit stuff out, if I mess up, you're gonna see, and you're gonna see how I fix it. So just realigning the bow part with the top part, and there we go. There's a little candy corn guy. Cute, huh? Ah! All right, so to get it on the earring, these little things at the bottom here, I just take, I eventually will have better lighting and better imaging. Guys, I'm really sorry, but I hope that you can see this and it makes total sense. And you just open it up. You can see it's open. And you hook it right onto the earring like so. And I take, oops, I dropped the little ball thing. I take these guys and I just close it up. You gotta be really gentle with this part, because if not, it will go sliding and you'll make the whole earring lopsided. I've done it a few times, trust me. And there we have it. See, as I was saying, making the earring a little lopsided. So we're gonna adjust that by just bending it a tad. And there we have it. We have a little candy corn dangly fishhook earring. These are on the site, and you just have to go to craftily.com, and they are $6. They're a specialty bead, so that does increase the price just by a little bit, and the wiring does take a little bit, as you can see. Typically I can knock out a pair of earrings in like 3 minutes, just because I've gotten pretty good at it. But with these, it's a little bit more difficult because of how I've been wire wrapping the bottom. Also, because I don't like to waste product. This long thing does not need to be consumed by this little bitty candy corn. So I like to make it even more cute with the little loops at the bottom, or sometimes I'll do like a spiral. Sometimes I'll just wrap it around the bead, however I feel like doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. There will be more and better tutorials on how I do some of my jewelry. I hope you have a wonderful evening. I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, but right now it is 8:04 p.m. on Thursday. Yay for Friday tomorrow. So please make sure that you subscribe down in the bottom, as well as hit that little bell thing. Just learn that if you hit the little bell thing, that gives you alerts as to when I post new videos. All right, awesome.